I suck at video games. I suck at getting girls. I am gay. Like, I don't understand. Does God hate me? I don't understand. I don't understand. Does everyone go through this phase? Like, it's actually painful. I want to just like rest forever, you know? I want to just go on my bed and sleep for an eternity. Like, um, I don't know. I don't know. Like, what should I even do at this point? I don't know what to do. I feel I feel like my whole body is numb. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Am I? Uh, Valor can kill people. I'm not even joking. I finally understand when people go through the tilted phase, you know? I can see why people actually quit this game for weeks. I quit because of Roblox, but I never knew you can be like this. You know? Yeah, I don't know. How am I still in this rank then? What is that I'm lacking? I- I feel like I just injected shit inside of me. Oh, half of my soul is gone. Like, huh? No, I'm actually not angry at all. If I'm being honest, like I'm actually angry, but like my heart is beating so fast. But like my brain, like I don't feel it. Like, I don't know. I'm not like, um, is this how you cause brain damage? This is what they mean by brain dead. Like if I queue right now, I'd literally be brain dead. Kill, but like I wouldn't even drop a kill. If I'm being honest with you. No, I don't know at this point. I don't know. 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 Mm, what do I do? Walk off what? Oh, how? How? I don't understand. I don't understand. I've never played this shit in my life, dude. Not in counter blocks. Not in CS:GO. Not in Valorant. Why? Please tell me. This is my first time, you know? Why was I even born? Why can't I just rest? I just want to rest in the darkness, you know? Mm.